For the first time, Samsung may be turning smartphone privacy into a hardware feature, not an accessory, not a software trick, but something built directly into the display itself. According to new findings inside One UI 8.5 firmware, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to introduce a feature called Privacy Display, and this could quietly become one of the most important upgrades Samsung has made in years. The idea is simple, but the execution is not. When Privacy Display is turned on, the screen becomes significantly harder to see from side angles. Anyone sitting next to you on public transport, standing beside you in a queue, or trying to glance at your phone in a crowded place will only see a darkened screen. Meanwhile, the user looking directly at the phone continues to see the display normally. What makes this different from existing privacy solutions is that this is not a software blur and not a cheap viewing angle filter. The feature appears to rely on new OLED hardware, likely using Samsung Display's Flex Magic Pixel technology, which was first showcased at Mobile World Congress 2024. This strongly suggests that Privacy Display is built into the panel itself, acting like a privacy screen protector that you can turn on or off whenever you want. Digging deeper into the firmware reveals that Samsung is treating this as a serious privacy system, not just a toggle. Privacy Display can be activated manually through settings or the quick panel, but it can also turn on automatically using conditions. These conditions may include when you leave your home or office, when you're in crowded public areas, or even when you open sensitive apps such as banking, payments, or private messages. Integration with modes and routines would allow the phone to intelligently decide when your screen needs protection. The leaks also suggest that Samsung is offering two levels of privacy control. In manual mode, the display limits visibility from side angles. In maximum mode, the system goes further by reducing brightness when Privacy Display is active, making shoulder surfing extremely difficult even in close proximity. Users may also be able to choose which apps trigger the feature automatically and set schedules for daily use. What's important here is that no other smartphone currently offers this kind of built-in, on-demand privacy display. Until now, users have relied on physical privacy screen protectors, which permanently reduce brightness, damage image quality, and can't be disabled. Samsung's solution removes all of those compromises. At the moment, it's still unclear whether Privacy Display will be exclusive to the Galaxy S26 Ultra or if it will expand to the rest of the S26 lineup. However, considering the need for a next-generation OLED panel and the cost involved, this feature is far more likely to debut on the Ultra model first. This isn't a flashy feature that shows up in marketing slides, but it's exactly the kind of upgrade that changes how people use their phones in real life. If this leak is accurate, the Galaxy S26 Ultra won't just be about cameras or performance anymore. It'll be about controlling what the world around you is allowed to see.